Gold and silver both achieved a high yesterday, especially silver, which has rallied strongly. I told you beyond 1900-1920 zone, we may see a strong rally, and 1950 is the next target. Beyond that, 2000 levels are achieved. Stronger resistance levels. Likewise, gold has achieved 1735 and retracing again from those levels. Now, what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon and do watch those analysis as well. Let's start the day. Now these are the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, gold is trading below the resistance at 1725. Now it is trying to trade bearish. At the same time, the support there at 1722 and 1715. These zone at 1722 to 1715 is important. It is again trying to fall back within these levels. You have to trade with caution in between these levels. We may see gold getting support at around 1720, 1718 and 1715 levels. 1715 is the ultimate support for the day. Be watchful of this. Now if you look at the directional movement, this is so far bullish, trying to converge crossover for a sell entry. At the same time, the stochastic is oversold here on the hourly charts. The RSI 2 is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, the resistance there at 1725 is strong and it is dropped below these levels. Now again on the upside, yes, you can take a long entry. You can buy it from there at around 1725. That should be a good level to buy again. At the same time, we may see gold getting support here at 1720, 1718 and 1715. Watch out for these three levels. Now also look at the trading behavior of gold in recent times. See rise, retracement, consolidation, rise, retracement. So see it is still trading sideways within this channel. And now the support at 1715 levels is going to be strong. Only and only if it breaks below 1715, you can expect that we may see a little bearishness. Till the time it trades between 1715 and 1725, do not trade. Once it trades above 1725, possibility of for it to achieve 1738-40 levels is high. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here, and it indicates that if it crosses over for a sell entry, we have to be the stochastic is oversold here, indicates probability of a bounce back exists. The RSI looking downwards here, indicating bearishness. So on the hourly chart and 2-hour chart, it appears it is indicating bearishness there. On the 3-hour charts now, see one red candle, consolidation, higher highs and second red candle. So it may come down till towards 1720 levels, which is a very strong support, and in fact one can expect that there could be a third red candle which might try to take it till towards 1715, 1713 levels, which is going to be a very strong support. Only below these levels you can expect that it may try to give you little bearishness. So yes, 1715 you should watch out for. In fact 1713 also may provide a little support. Below that definitely it will drop strongly. Directional movement is bullish, but it is willing to converge. That indicates that there is little bearishness there. It is still on the green side. The stochastic, after achieving the highs, falling sharply. RSI is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, gold dropping below the support. See the previous 3 candles getting the support at 1725.24, and this candle now trying to trade below this. The next support is at 1720, and below 1720 you can expect that we may see the next support at 1718 and 1715. So see till 1713 levels we have seen yesterday also. I am telling you again, be watchful of 1713. Yesterday it tried to drop just below 1713 and bounce back from those levels. So possibility exists. You have to wait a little till the time it sustains below 1713. At least a 15-minute candle you should watch out for. So below 1713, yes, you can go short. Then definitely this time if it continues to trade below 1713, you can expect 1710 as a very strong support and 1705. Just be careful of 1705. Only if it breaks below 1705 for the day, it will call for a strong bearishness. So between 1715 and 1705, you have to trail with the stop loss. With just couple of dollars as a trailing stop loss, you have to put your trade accordingly. On the upside, yes, you can go long above 1725. Directional movement so far is trading in green, now trying to converge here, indicating it may call for little bearishness. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, indicating bearishness. RSI is sloping downwards. Coming back to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, look at the previous candle, a strong tail and a strong upper shadow. Also look at the highs there. It tried to breach once, but it is still very much confined within the highs of previous candle. Indicates that yes, there is still bullishness, but it is failing to go past, or it is failing to sustain the higher levels. Now also look at this. See, previous candle also had a tail. We should not forget. Indicates that previously it was bearish. It tried to act bullish and try to close with a smaller body. So now see, if it breaks below this zone 1720, still it may get the support at 1713, 1710. Very strong support there. And if it breaks below, still 1705 should come to the rescue. And breaking below 1705, it will call for a stronger drop till towards 1700. 1695, 1690 levels. Right now it appears still it is trying to trade with indecision, but yes, we have to trade as per the levels rather than waiting for it to decide. So yes, you can go short at 1713, expect 1710 as a very strong support, 1705 as the next strong support. Only below this you can expect still bearishness for the day. At the same time, above 1725 you can take a buy entry. You can again expect 1730, 1735, 1738.40 zone. 38.40 zone is going to provide a very strong resistance for gold to show any up move. Beyond that 1745, and then beyond that it will fly. So be cautious of this. Right now it is trying to reverse a little. There is going to be a support at 17, 20, 18 and 15 levels. Do not trade between 1713 and 1725. Once again, take your positions on the upside and downside. Just wait for a little for it to sustain and then only take your position. So trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to put the stop loss at cost. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, yes, you can join my mentorship batch. This is a 15-day session. This is 15th batch is already started yesterday. You can be part of 16th batch, book your seats now, and definitely the strategies and methodologies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Or else join my signals group. Also remember, I do not ask for any investment from anyone promising multifold returns. You have to keep cautious. You have to keep caution. Only links and only email IDs and Telegram IDs mentioned in the channel and video description are legitimate. Else there are fraudsters online, there are scammers available online. Do not get trapped. Remember, one who can give you multifold return will never ask money from you, because he can multiply his own money and profit. So be careful of the fraudster there. Now look at the silver here. See, the silver has tried to retrace and now trying to trade bearish. It appears this is the second red candle on the hourly charts. We may see a third red candle. Now where it could stop, again as I said, 19. See, right now the support there at 1950 levels is strong. So be cautious of 1955 and 1940, these two levels, and below that we may see 1912, 1920 as a very strong support. So it is trying to reverse the gains a little, but let's be alert. If you look at the directional movement was extremely bullish, now trying to converge here and crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic looking downwards, entering into oversold zone. RSI was overbought, now looking vertically downwards, indicating bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, too, it has taken a good sharp drop after giving a flat opening on this candle. Now it is trying to come back till towards 1955, very strong support, and in fact it can try to come back at 1940. See, 1940 is going to remain a very strong support for silver, and then 1930, 1920 levels. If it breaks and sails and trades below 1920, you can call for bears out there. Directional movement is bullish so far, but trying to converge here and crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic looking downwards. RSI was extremely bullish, now trying to trade with a drop. MACD was trading bullish and trying to converge here, crossover for a sell entry. Be cautious. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, so this is the first red candle and this is coming out of this. This is a breakout candle. Be careful. See, one smaller red candle, then a greener candle, and then second larger candle. We may see a follow-up candle to the next candle, which may try to bring it till towards 1940 levels, which is going to be a stronger support. If it breaks 1940, then still we may get a support at 1930, 1920, 1910 levels. So yes, you can go short. Right now it is at 1957. You can go short at 1950 levels. Below that one can remain short and one can expect it to drop. See, now the resistance on the upside at 1980 is going to be strong. Only if it trades above 1980, I will recommend that it is going to trade bullish, else it may try to drop. Directional movement was bullish so far and it is trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now looking vertically downwards. MACD was bullish, trying to converge here. RSI was overbought, now trying to trade with a drop there. On the 4-hour charts, after consolidating here, after achieving 2000 levels, the 1980s is a very strong resistance. Now it is trying to trade with a drop. See, on the downside now you have to be cautious till 1940, 1930, 1920 levels. There are support there. Only bearishness can be seen sub 1880 till the time probability of a bounce back exists. After the bullish rise yesterday, it is just trying to retrace a little and it is going to still remain bullish till the time it trades above 1840, 1850 levels. Yes, you can consider it to trade bullish, and every retracement is possibility will generate a possibility to buy here, but you have to enjoy the trade. Right now it is trading at 1957. Yes, probability exists that it may try to achieve 1950, 1940 levels, and in fact below that 1930, 1920 are also possible. So with the stop loss at 1980, you can remain short today. The directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought, looking forward to a drop. The MACD is bullish and it is trying to converge and cross over here. The RSI was overbought, now looking vertically downwards. And on the daily chart, look at the daily charts. A smaller green candle, 3 steps, and a bigger green candle. Now it is trying to reverse the gains. Now where it can get the support, it might get the support here at 1955, 1950, 1940, the next support, then 1930, 1920, and till 1910, 1900, in fact 1880 levels. Probability of it to reverse the complete gains exist. Do not miss this. Do not consider that it cannot reverse the gain, but yes, you have to trade as per the levels, and hence be cautious till it is below 1980. Only bullish entry, only buy entry is this if it trades above 1980 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought, it can look forward to a drop. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish, it can now start to converge. It has seen a high now. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, till the time silver trades below 1980, every rise is an opportunity to sell. But see, while instrument trades bullish, you have to take a short entry with caution. And yes, for now, till the time it trades above 1840 levels, you can consider that it is going to remain bullish. And for the day, if it breaks 1980, then only consider that as a buy entry. Else, till the time it trades below 1980, you can remain short. However, there are going to be supports at 1950, 1940, 1930 till 1900, or rather 1880. There are strong supports. Just watch out for 1940, 1950, 1940 and 1920 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trail with a stop loss, trade with a stop loss, and yes, always trail your stop losses. So yes, for the day on silver, one can remain short with the stop loss at 1980. Take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.